guys, today's video is the BONOSS spacers for this Porsche. So why you need these hub-centric spacers? High-end manufacturers will make the hub-centric spacers specifically. This ensures that specific wheel spacer fit a specific vehicle perfectly. BONOSS wheel spacers with a special hub-centric design for Porsche make it fit the wheel and the hub better. When the spacers are firmly installed on the hub assembly, there will be no gap. Perfect fitment brings a snug wheel connections. Hub-centric wheel spacers offer a better system of support and stability. They're designed to make a snug connection between the wheel and the vehicle hub. Compared with an ordinary hub-centric, BONOSS uses a multi-stage hub-centric design, which means that the multi-stage hub-centric can make the spacers more closely fitted to the wheel hub, greatly reduce the vibration of high speed caused by the inaccurate hub-centric. BONOSS forged wheel spacers are safe to use. Aluminum alloy 6061T6 and 7075T6 material brings many desirable properties: high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance.